Hello everybody, it's Brad here, aka Shambazzle Games, and today I'm going to walk you through how to get any custom 3D Roll20 token or Fantasy Grounds mini that your heart desires. Obviously, when we start a brand new online game of D&D or your TTRPG of choice, it's always fun to try and get a custom token that matches the PC that you have in mind, but it can be difficult to find. So here's how you can use HeroForge to actually create a 3D mini and then clip that out for use in your VTT, your Roll20 or Fantasy Grounds game, or wherever you're playing online. So first thing, when you go to HeroForge.com, you don't even have to create an account. You can just do this as a guest. But I recommend going to the top right corner, selecting options, and turning the graphic setting down to low or auto. That's going to just make the site render and perform a little bit more quickly, at least when you're creating your character. Now, if you don't have a HeroForge account or you've never used HeroForge before, highly recommend you give it a shout. Although if you are addicted to the character creation process, it can be a bit of a time vampire, so be warned. You can create just about anything your heart desires or your mind can imagine here. So you can create a nice little 3D token for yourself. And then when you're completed and you're satisfied with your creation, go back to the options, change the graphic settings up to high. This is going to render the model in the most detail, but it will also cause the site itself to be a little bit chunky depending on your computer speed and power. Then refresh the page, and when it renders back in, you're going to see all that detail come into the mini, so significantly different there. Then change your view to top down just like you would in a VTT or a virtual tabletop token combat encounter map setting, and go to screenshot, click it, select cutout in the bottom right hand corner, and then it's going to actually trim the background for you. You don't have to do anything else. Right click on the token, open it in a new tab, then right click the picture in that tab and save it to your desktop, and you're pretty much done. You can pop into Roll20, Fantasy Grounds, or your VTT of choice, and then upload it, bring it into your game, and voila, a custom 3D player character token for you to enjoy. Your only limitation is whatever's available on the HeroForge site, and there are thousands and thousands of customizations available to you. So I encourage you to jump on HeroForge.com, play around with the character creator. It's good fun anyway, but like I said, maybe clear a couple hours on your schedule, and then you can go in and sign yourself the token, or send the PNG over to your DM to upload for you and assign to your character sheet. And yeah, enjoy pure 3D customized bliss, matching that awesome hero that you've put on paper with a beautiful token to match his or her greatness. Enjoy. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe to me on YouTube or follow me on Twitter, or both, at Shambazzle Games, and visit www.shambazzlegames.com for all this content goodness. That's where I publish everything and anything that I can think of. So yeah, hope to see you around the web. Happy gaming.